How to ask friend to verify on WeChat. So now let's get started. So begin the process. The very first thing you need to do is open up to WeChat on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. This is done by entering your key credential such as your username and password in the destination field. And after you have completed the login process, you will find yourself on the main page interface of the app. Now take a look at the bottom right corner of the screen and you will see an option labeled as Me. Go ahead and click on that option, and this action will direct you to your personal profile page from this location. You will to navigate to this setting menu. Upon clicking, you will be taken a new page that display various settings related to your account. Once you are on the setting page, your next step is locate up the option that is titled Friend Permission. Click on it, access its setting, and when you do this, you will be presented with the toggle switch. If this switch is currently turned off, you need to double it on enable. This option is important because when this switch is activated, it ensures that everyone who wants to add you as a friend must send a friend request first, and this means that they cannot just add you directly or message you at any time without your approval. By having these settings turned on, you maintain control over who can connect with you and on platform, enhancing your privacy and security by using the WeChat. This was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.